Welcome back to the Crudbuilder, my friends. The project for today, T-Balls is coming down to help me get the motor fired up. And so what that means is we're gonna need a throttle. Now, you can just push on the throttle yourself. There's a spring here already attached. But if you're in the car and you're troubleshooting stuff, like we probably will be, it's going to be much more handy if we just go ahead and set up the throttle cable. So you're probably wondering, well, what's all this junk that you bought? And that's a great question. What this junk is my attempt to make the throttle cable flow a little better from the front of the car to the back of the car. And the way that we're going to do that is actually we're going to run some of these pieces of pipe here on the firewall. The throttle cable is going to run up through these down, basically down to where my pedal setup is down here. So we'll take these will attach to the firewall in various areas to kind of move the throttle cable. The throttle cable will go in. These will all be greased up inside. The throttle cable will go inside, and then this will be a way that we can run the throttle cable, like something like this maybe. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud here. My actual throttle in here, it's gonna be tight, but basically these are gonna act as guides for the throttle cable. The cable itself is going to be, I bought some cable here and some of these clamp sets. I'm gonna clamp it on each side, which is the first thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and clamp it to the actual carburetor so that I can run it. So let's find make a little spot here and let's find some, we'll find some wrenches that'll fit these. Probably not going to be a 5/16. Way too big. Let's see what we've got. Perfect. 7 will work. Last thing I want to do is drop any of this stuff down in an area where I can't get to it. That would suck. Okay, so this is what the tightened cable looks like on the carburetor. So now I'm going to string this through here. Then this is going to string up here and into these, which is going to be a guide to take it down to the pedal. So next I'll be mounting these onto the firewall. So here's what my pipe setup looks like. This just allows a nice easy slide for the throttle cable to go down through here, and then this attaches down here to my gas pedal. Not sure if you can see it, but I'll show you with the flashlight in just a second. Whoa. So you can see there, hopefully, that that's how I've got it attached. Comes out of that pipe down into my gas pedal and tightens there. So, and that can be adjusted however I need. So there's my throttle cable.